Well, if your child is one of the many back in the classroom, you may be wondering if it's safe to take them to the doctor's office for an annual checkup. Channel 3's Angela Kim joins us now in the studio. What hospital officials say we should do?
Well, Cindy, I spoke with some experts from Children's Hospital who say that there are two things you should not skip this fall despite the pandemic: a checkup and a flu shot. Children's Hospital Chief of Staff Andrea Goins isn't just a medical expert. She's also one of the many moms who has children heading back to class in the midst of a pandemic.
But I think we're all cautiously optimistic about sending our kids back, but there's always those fears.
Her experience in both fields has her encouraging other parents to schedule yearly checkups for their kids.
So we know that in kids, they're much more prone to other illnesses than adults are, and so delaying those immunizations as well as those well-child checks can be detrimental.
General Pediatrician Heather Gillum agrees, saying that children are more prone to getting sick during the school year.
Children do get sick. We get 5 to 6 upper respiratory infections a year, and now we're also throwing in trying to determine whether or not it's a even more contagious, dangerous disease.
Both Gillum and Goins say that the best course of action can be determined by asking an expert.
You should call your pediatrician, call and talk to a nurse, call and talk to a physician, and get their advice, because so many of the symptoms of common illnesses, colds, flu, strep throat, all of those things overlap with COVID.
Gillum says doing what you can to prevent common illnesses can also help in the fight against COVID-19.
Let's get our flu shots. That's one less illness that we have to be concerned about and are on a increased risk of or increased chance of being healthy for the entire school year.
Now, both Dr. Gillum and Dr. Goins also encourage parents with children under 10 to practice wearing a mask at home so they know how to wear them in public. They urge parents to continue sanitizing often, social distancing, and avoiding touching your face. In the studio, Angela Kim, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.